What is up, everybody? It is Oprelia, and it's been a while since we have talked about how to make money in the AI industry. And today we're going to be talking about what are the most lucrative ways to do that outside from being an actual AI developer, of course, and that is AI adult influencers. And some of these are basically making 10,000 euros a month. And this is just this model. So the person who created this AI character might have created 5 other characters which are catering to different fetishes and niches out there. So basically, he might be making a lot more from creating these AI influencers. And obviously, a lot of the money is going to be more on the adult side, but there's obviously other types of AI influencers which are doing infomercials and product reviews and things like that, which can also make you money. But today we're going to be really focusing on that adult subscription stuff. And this character, Aitana, it's from Barcelona apparently, and 10,000 euros a month. But the average is usually around 3,000 euros. And that is still a lot of money as of right now. And I've seen other people basically make these similar videos where they talk about the process of creating these and also uploading them into different sites. And we're going to be going through what are basically your top 5 options as people talk about things like OnlyFans, but OnlyFans has banned AI content. So has Fansly, which is probably the most second largest alternative after OnlyFans. So basically, the popular ones do not allow AI content, so you can't really upload it there. And today we're going to be really going through a lot of this loop and how you basically do it and how do you become profitable. Obviously, you have to put in some time to the marketing and doing certain things, but sometimes you might just get lucky and go viral instantly on these platforms and get shit ton of money. So, and here are some examples of this same character. She looks pretty constant throughout the images, but you can definitely tell that she looks a bit different on those other characters. And this is from December. And a lot of these AIs are a lot better as of right now. And there are other articles which have been made about these things, and people are making thousands. And here's another non-adult alternative here where people are basically banking on money. But obviously, as I keep saying, the adult stuff is where the money's at. So the first step, obviously, is to create an Instagram. And Instagram is going to be one of your best marketing tools. Yes, people get banned on Instagram. It is what it is. But basically, Twitter and Instagram are the best ways to basically spread this adult content and create traffic to your page on these adult websites. So that's your first step. The second step is actually creating the AI character itself. There's so many free ways to do that. You can download Stable Diffusion or Flux and use any comfy UI interface. There are a lot of models available on Civitai for realistic photos, and you can create a character. And there are even a lot of services which you can create one image, and then you can just basically buy a guy on Fiverr for $5 to basically create more characters for you. You can create a whole LoRa for you, which you can basically then use to create more shots of your AI influencer, basically. And then obviously you can bring that image and use video editors to basically bring her to life and all that type of stuff. So there are a lot of tools at your disposal, both free and paid versions, which can get you kickstarted here. So the first service I want to really talk about here is FancyMe. And this is actually a place where you can create on the platform itself your own character. And these are actually acting as chatbots. And you can actually, I think, make also money in this platform by doing so. But this is another platform where you can create a character and then import it somewhere else if you just want like the base images, because there's a lot of no adult filters basically on this platform when it comes to generation. And when you sign up, you're going to be getting free credits over here. You're going to be starting with 200, and it's like 20 credits to basically create a character on the platform. And these are exactly very, very high quality images over here, which fall into the niche. I don't know how much you can make on the chatbots, but this is kind of where you could also get started. Now let's go into the 5 platforms that we have here today. So the first one is called ShareSomeAI, and this is also where you can create your own AI character. There are other people, non-AI, in this platform as well. And basically you can create your own subscription system here, just like in OnlyFans, and basically, start doing stuff here. ShareSome is obviously not as big as some of the other platforms, but it can also be your first array, creating that AI character and then importing it into the other platforms. And that's what I really suggest doing, is creating a character and then posting it into many sites as possible. And in one of them, eventually, you're going to hit gold. And that's what a lot of OnlyFans, stars also do. They upload their stuff into other platforms because there's no exclusivity deals. And in order to get paid, though, you might have to do KYC in some of these platforms, but you don't need to do it on the registration. So you don't have to worry about not giving the KYC in case you don't make any money. So that's a good thing with a lot of these platforms. And all of the things I'm going to be sharing here today actually accept AI. Some of them might have certain clauses, like the AI characters have to be based on you, or they cannot be deep fakes or something like that. So these are kind of different. Then we have Subscom. This one is a bit more on safe content as well. This is not just OnlyFans stuff. And this is another platform where people upload content. It can be non-sexual or sexual. And here also you can start uploading. You need to do ID verification in order to create, but they do allow AI content over here, which is really, really good. So, and this is actually one of the original creators of OnlyFans is actually investor in this one. So this is slowly growing up to be a very, very big prominent alternative to OnlyFans out there. So this is another one that you want to go for. And then we have Fanview, which is another prominent OnlyFans alternative. Here, they kind of actually inspire or promote people using AI on the platform, and this is also another platform where there are real people, and also, AI-generated content. So this is another one where you can basically do stuff, and I think they have actual credit-based system. And I'm going to leave an article down below where you can look into some of the other alternatives which are outside of this list. And there's a lot of options for you guys for different types of niches, especially. Then we have another one that is very relatively new called Slushie. This is very adult-based platform. They also allow AI in this platform. And most of these platforms only take 10 or 5% cut from everything that you make. So once you actually get a couple of subscribers, they may not cancel their subscriptions. They may forget your subscriptions and all that. So you're just able to basically make very much passive income. And that's just very, very good. And there's very lucrative referral programs as well. And then lastly, I want to talk about FanCentral. And this is another one that basically allows AI type of content with certain types of caveats as well. So these are basically the top 5 best platforms where you can basically promote your AI influencer character and create subscription systems around it. Don't price it too high in the beginning. Maybe start with the very, very lowest price point, because I don't know, are people willing to really pay that much for AI versus a real girl? So that's kind of important in this context. But what I'm really trying to say is that this is fundamentally the most lucrative way to make money right now, as this simp economy is so big. So many people are putting out so much money into the sexual content, and before it gets super oversaturated, I definitely would capitalize on it. Yes, there's already a fair amount of competition, but I think that a lot of these men who are using these platforms, they're going to be subscribing to multiple women, not just to a one. So I think you can definitely make some good passive income in AI, contrasted to a lot of other niches that we have covered in the past, because it's a really hard space to really make money in the end of the day, even for the developers who are building these businesses, because a lot of people want to just create stuff for free. But that basically wraps up my video. In case you have any questions, see the articles and the links down below. And if you have any specific questions about these platforms we have showcased today, I'm trying to answer the best of my ability as I can. But thanks for watching. I will be seeing you guys in the next video. Cheers.